Hey there, holiday crafters! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the magic of Christmas with some delightful DIY ornaments. Grab your hot cocoa, put on those fuzzy socks, and let's get started. First things first, let's gather our materials. You'll need some clear ornaments, glitter, paint, ribbon, and any other fun decorations you can think of. Feel free to get creative here. The more, the merrier. Oh, and don't forget a bit of newspaper or an old cloth to keep your workspace tidy. Start by carefully removing the tops of your clear ornaments. We don't want any spills now, do we? Once you've got the top off, it's time for the fun part. Let's add some sparkle. Take your glitter and pour a generous amount into each ornament. You can even mix colors for a unique look. Next, take your paint and swirl it around inside the ornament. This creates a beautiful marbled effect. Isn't that just magical? Now let's add some festive flair. Tie ribbons around the tops of your ornaments. Use different textures and colors to make each one special. Feel free to glue on some little trinkets, like miniature bells or tiny pine cones. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it, your very own DIY Christmas ornaments. Time to hang them on the tree and enjoy the festive glow. These make great gifts too, so don't be shy about sharing your creations with friends and family. Thanks for crafting with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more holiday cheer. Happy holidays, everyone!